Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Overnight, markets were a little bit erratic with the Australian dollar taking the challenge to the top side and once again rejects close to that 60-day moving average around 64.5 cents. From there, the markets plummeted back down to the bottom side of its range, seen around 62.80-85. In light of the pattern, if we go to the shorter term frame, we can see the market is likely to recover in front of that level of 62.80 and look back up towards 63.5. Not abandoning the top side challenge as of yet and still looks towards that 64.5 where the 60-day moving average is. In yesterday's economic data, the CPI came in slightly higher from the previous month of 0.8 to 1.2 quarterly, and year on year it came from 5.2 to 5.6. This gave a little bit of a mixture in terms of how the market digested those numbers. And along with that, all eyes now look towards the US GDP, which expects to see a rise from previous of 2.1% to 4.5%. If the Aussie can maintain its or regain its momentum, then I feel that we are forming a strong base and eventually see a clearance beyond 64.5, maybe up to around 65.5 cents. Looking to the euro, the market was a little bit mixed as the dollar index, which measures the greenback strength against the basket of 6 major currencies, extended its rally since 106 to the highs around 106.35. In light of that, the market is now focusing back on this trend line, which is seen roughly around 105.35. I feel, and I'm not going to get too bearish because the market is likely to stage a bounce from here and look back up towards 107.30 as a key level and reassess. Dollar yen once again took a daring challenge towards that top side level around 150 and settled there. In spite of the challenge, there was no intervention from the Bank of Japan. Nevertheless, the market is still pressuring this topside level and see if it can push beyond 150 up to 151. But I still, at this point, not a bull, as the market may eventually take a sudden downturn like previously and fall back towards the low side of the range of 147. Sterling also took a down challenge after the rejection of that trend line. Now looks back to the bottom side of the range, seen around 120.85, but I will give at least some error judgment in case we get a move to 120.30 and reassess. Finishing off with gold, the markets took another challenge to that top side around the region of 1,990. I feel the market is getting a little bit towards that top side, but nevertheless, an extension could be seen to around 2,612 and then see the downturn. We do need to see a break of 1,956 to support the bear case to 1,920. Wrap it up with oil, the market found support right where the support level is at $82 a barrel. From the bounce, has put a little bit more encouragement back into the price and therefore could see a move up towards 87.5, but still locked in this 82 to 90 range as a broader outlook. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you for joining me. As always, look out for the intraday report. I hope you enjoy the rest of the day.